Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. This is Manoj Dara. So cryptocurrencies jumped on Tuesday amid a rout in global stocks, bonds and currencies after the global central banks raised rates to curb inflation, forcing investors to look for alternative assets. So all eyes are on Fed Chairman Jerome Powell's speech, which is due later today, which can play a huge role in any movement. That's what analysts have said. However, market participants believe that the recovery might be short-lived given the current macroeconomic turbulence and slowdown concerns on fear of recession. So IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 5.3% at 29,070 points. So investors have poured over $50 billion worth of investments in cryptocurrencies in the past 24 hours, helping Bitcoin to climb to over $20,000, the highest in more than a week. In the midst of an inflation and cost of living crisis, oil prices are on the rise. Following sell-off over the last couple of sessions, that's what the news which is actually the market is taking note of. On the contrary, gold is rebounding after another terrible start of the week that saw it plunge back to roughly around $1,620, its lowest level since April 2020. So Bitcoin was trading at $20,222, up 5.8%. The overall crypto market is experiencing a surprise bounce. So Bitcoin has rallied from 18,000 to 19,000 range to cross the $20,000 mark, which, however, since the stock markets are dumping Bitcoins, look to break the correlation. That's what we have been telling our viewers, that there is a big correlation between the stock market and the cryptocurrency market. So for Bitcoin to work as an inflation hedge, it must consistently perform despite a sell-off in the broader markets. That's what the analysts are saying, not just a one-off day, and maybe you have to observe the trading pattern going forward as well. Lesser speculation than the S&P 500 is the reason of the Bitcoin's bounce back. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 5.7% to trade at $1,386. So Ethereum was trading higher since volatility since the September 26, with its price frequently touching both between the red and green after the merge, as we have seen that there was a large concern in Ethereum, but now prices have coming back. However, Ethereum gained on upward movement, which actually lifted the price above $1,300 levels. So if you talk about the other altcoins, on my left is Binance BNB was up 3.8% to trade at $284. Polygon Matic was up by 4.1% to trade at $0.77. Solana Sol was up by 6% and was trading at $34. Shiba Inu was trading higher by 4.1%. Cardano's ADA token was trading higher by 2.8% at $0.45. Avalanche AVAX was trading up by 4.3% at $18. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 2.2% at $0.062. Ripple's XRP token was trading at $0.47, up by 1.3%. Last on the list is Polkadot, which was up by 5.9% to trade at $6. So let's get a technical perspective view from our technical expert, Ayushi Verma. Ayushi, welcome on 3.0 TV.
Thanks, Manoj, for inviting me here. So this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. I'll start with this Bitcoin first. And I have mentioned this thing in the yesterday's video that the price is taking a support at 19,000 level. So we might able to see a level of 20,000 as well. So this was the support level, which is at 19,000, and this is the 20,000 level, which the price is already currently trading there. So it's a very important thing to see what gonna be the close, because if the price is already reaching here and if the price closes somewhere around at the resistance, again we will see that the price will come back to the support level. So today's closing will be an important one, and if the price closes higher, good upside momentum should be there. If the price closes higher than 20,000, a good higher close should be there than the 20,000 level. We might able to see a higher level of 22,600 as well, but that's a different story. And as of now, we can expect that the price will be, will take a close. If the price closes at the resistance, we might able to see that the price will come back again to the 19,000 level. And this is the same thing, we can expect in the Ethereum. So Ethereum is also basically was at the support level, and in the yesterday's video we spoke about this thing that the price might able to reach to the resistance of 1510. So it's moving up, it took a support here, it starts going up. So still there is a long way to go, and the price might able to reach to the resistance first. So these are the level, and this is the direction for the Ethereum. And the same thing you can expect in the IC15 index. So the price is again reaching to the resistance level, giving you a good upside momentum. So this is the I have just zoom it, and I am taking the resistance at 29,500, and I'm taking the let me just correct it, just a second. So let me just correct it to, I think there is some mismatch in the support area. So I can take, so I can take this support level. Okay, so again the price is moving up, and what we can expect a resistance of 29,500, and we can take a support at 25,500. So this is how you can just look at the area, look at the range that the price we may expect of this particular index, that the price will be there in this area only. So let's see what can happen at the resistance level, because if you look at the Bitcoin, if you look at the Ethereum, almost every single cryptocurrency, the major ones, the two major ones are at the resistance level. So if the price breaks there, you will see that the resistance, this index also trades higher than the resistance, and if not, you will see that the price will again come back to the support level. So this is for the IC15 index.